Hans has $27 which he decides to spend on X and Y. Commodity X cost $16 and Y cost $10. So income is 27. Price of good X is 16, price of good Y is 10. 16, price of good Y is equals to 10. Utility function is 5x square plus 2y square. Utility function is 5x square plus 2y square, and he can purchase fractional units of x and y. So what will he choose? Okay, so 5x square plus 2y square. So this thing 5x square plus 2y square, it seems to be like a ux plus uy kind of a deal. Okay, so utility equals to ux plus uy, where ux is the utility component from x and uy is utility component from y. So these are two separable quantities. Now as you can see, marginal utility of x is equals to 10x, which is increasing, and marginal utility of y is equals to 4y, which is also increasing. Okay, so it's like if you consume x, you get more and more marginal utility from consuming more and more amount of x. So either you will keep consuming x or you will keep consuming y. Okay, so the idea is that you get addicted to either of these two things. Okay, you can get addicted to both these things, and so you will spend your entire income on either good x or on good y. Okay, because now equating marginal utilities does not make sense anymore, because marginal utilities are increasing in nature, so I don't equate them. So in this situation, I'll see that what can he do. So if he consumes only x, so if he consumes only good x, then the amount of good x will be equal to how much? Sorry, if he consumes only good x, I have written everything. So amount of good x will be 27 by 16. That is the amount of good x. So utility from just good x will be 5 times of 27 by 16 square. Okay. And utility from good y, if he consumes only good y, so that would be 5 times, no, sorry, 2 times 27 by 10 whole square. Right. Okay, so then I need to compare these two quantities. Which of these is going to be larger? So 27 by 10 whole square. So this could be written down as 5 by 1.6 square and into 27 by 10 whole square, and this then becomes 2 into 27 by 10 whole square. So what I really need to compare is just 2 and 5 upon 1.6 square. So 5 by 1.6 square is 5 upon 1.6. So 16 square is what? What's 16 square? 244? No. 15 square is 225. 225 plus 31. So that's 256. Okay, sorry. I'm pretty bad at this. 5 by 2.56 into 27 by 10 whole square, and this is 2 into 27 by 10 whole square. Okay, so 5 by 2.56, this will be less than 2. Alright, so what happens is this quantity is going to be less than this quantity. So this is larger, so consuming only y is going to give you higher utility. Okay, so in this situation you are going to consume only y.